it's me Sato again from Cosplay, and today we're finally back after a very long time again. And in this video I'm gonna show you how I made an art piece for my living room, and it's not cosplay related, so it's something new. Surprise! Just let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Maybe we will do more stuff like this in the future, or we will stick to the cosplay stuff. It's up to you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And without further ado, let's do it. For this project I started by printing the UFO or UAP part. So I have here my two pieces, as you can see, and there's a lot of sanding included because I don't have a resin printer. It would be a lot easier, as you can see here. The layer lines are really annoying on these ones, so that means I have to sand this. This was a test that I'm not gonna use, so I'm using this one. Here I have already started sanding it. It's not perfect, but yeah, and then the end it will look kind of like this. And yeah, I keep sanding these, and then I will do a layer of filler primer, and hopefully it will be enough. And yeah, if you want to sponsor me, you can send me a resin printer. It would be fantastic for the future projects, but yeah. Let's do this. So now that this is sanded, I can use some filler primer to prime it. For this project I bought this nice thick picture frame, and yeah, just open it up and see what we can do with this. First of all, let's remove all those tiny pins. So now we can remove this, the back plate, and we have of course a piece of paper that can thrown away. This piece will be important later. And so let me see if we can remove the glass piece somehow. So because I can't get this out, I have to use force, brute force. This on to be protected, and ta-da! It's broken! So now that this is done, we can put it aside and use this normal piece of, what is it, 3mm? Yes, 3mm wood. And then we use this plate on top so that we can trace it all around. For cutting it out, you can use a normal box cutter. Multiple light passes should be enough for this. We have this, and I have these two thin plastic sheets. And I want to glue it on top of there. And as you can see, I have marked something like this. This is where the light will be attached later, because this will go there later. So it's just a reference for me. And now I have to glue this on top of this. So just let me use some just normal super glue. now that this is sticking to it, you can flip it around and just cut it away. Here it seems that it's the good thing is with this stuff, you don't really have to cut all the way through with this. So, and now we can cut this piece out in the middle. Okay, I hope I get this right. Just this small tiny piece here on top. Ta-da! And now I still need to glue all the edges a little bit more. Okay, now that this is almost done, we're gonna glue this together like so, and then I'm gonna spray paint everything in chrome silver. So let's do it. So the silver plate that needs to be sanded still and filled into stuff. And here's the, sorry, this was my phone. Here's a small UFO. We're gonna paint everything on the inside black later, but currently I'm just checking. So, it'll be around there. And now I just need to mark at the middle of it. Let's say there. Now I have it marked there. We're gonna make a small hole in. So as you can see, it's not really so nice, and there are some spots that I want to color. For this I use a gun marker.
The round underside parts gets painted with some Citadel black. Now I use some cheap white paint to paint the part where the light will be later. After this is done, we can put it aside and trace this half circle onto some plastic. The half circle gets a thin brim around the curved part. The best glue for it will be this Tamir cement because it will melt the plastic together. In the next step, mask off the beam part. Now we can remove it and put it aside for now.
And now we take this one that we made before with the small edge, and this gets glued right there. Just glue it right there so it will stay in place. And make sure that it's a 90-degree angle. So now that this is on, we can reattach this one. Just put it right in there. Then we can spray paint this and this, the whole picture frame.
It's now time to hunt for some unlucky test subject.
So these are all the figures that I found, but they don't have a nice purple. Yeah, they don't look so good. These are a bit. They are small, yes, but not really the one I'm looking for. We have this one. It's okay. So these are the two last ones. I was first thinking of this one because I like his hairstyle, but then I found this one. I like that his arm is already in a kind of different position than this one. And on this one I just need to cut the leg a little bit to an angle. Yeah, I think it will be this one. So let's free him and rearrange his leg.
A tiny bit of glue should be enough. For the painting stage I started with the flesh tone. Next are his blue pants and his green shirt. I know he doesn't look good, but it was the best I could do. To add some stars onto the black background, I use the old method with tapping the brush against my finger. We can now remove the tape.
So for the beam effects I have bought this. As you can see, it has this nice clear green part. And then I'm gonna use these. These are just some tapes that I have made for the pattern, and we stick it to the green stuff.
After gluing the tape on, I cut the beam parts out.
This is a normal picture frame. Then we're gonna put it, this one, directly in there, but from the back side. So let's push it in. This is in. We can put this one on there. Next is this small tiny figure that we have painted. We will put it right maybe there, in this kind of angle. Now that this is done, we're gonna take this one, bend it, and then we just glue it right over there. So just use some glue. Now that this is on, I have this string light that I will feed through the small hole here on top.
To attach the battery pack onto the back, I use some double-sided tape. For the front, I press the lights together, and then it's time to glue the UFO or UAP into place. The final step will be to reattach the back of the picture frame.
And it's now time for the final review.
So this was the video. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion, and if you want you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, or what I can improve on this channel in general, or maybe you have a cool idea what I can build next. Put everything down there and I will take a look. And sorry again for the long delay for this video, because I was kind of busy building my Kaito cosplay for the Micro Expo a couple of days ago, and I couldn't find the time to film this also because I was really crunching. Yeah. Sorry again for this, and of course don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and maybe give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and until then I see you in the next video. Have a great day and I'm out. By the way, the next video will be still cosplay stuff again. Yeah.